welcome back to my YouTube channel Trending News today. To get the fast updates about trending videos, just subscribe my YouTube channel and press bell icon to get the notifications of my videos. Viewers, the world is agitated. Hirano Remi's Hayawaza recipe will be aired. Kaiko Kitagawa will appear as a SP guest. And viewers, that video is viral on YouTube right now. And I am giving you the fast updates about this. To get further details about this, just copy my title and paste it on Google to get all the further details. If you want to get the trending news of today, then don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel Trending News Today and press bell icon to get the notifications of my videos.